Welcome to our 10-minute core and cardio workout. Let's get started right away. Get the knee up, focus every movement around your core. We want to build good core stability while increasing our heart rate, warming up the body, elevating our mood and energy. We're going to direct all of our attention to our core for the entire 10 minutes today. Why do we want good core stability? Every movement comes from our core, whether it's carrying our groceries, picking up our laundry basket, climbing out of the pool, riding our bike, walking. We want good core stability so we have strength and we can go through our day with more ease. Simply 10 minutes, and we are going to continue to build on amazing core stability. Shake that out. Punch and pivot. Really pivot with the foot and engage the core. The side obliques here. Really working. We're not concerning ourselves with six-pack abs. I already went through that as a teenager. And I realized it's so superficial and unnecessary. But having good core stability so we prevent injury, particularly in the back. We can just bend over and not feel like an old person. Really pivot so you can, Let's get the most out of today. See if we can't build a little sweat as we engage our core. Okay, a couple more. Shake that out. So we're going to go to one side. You can reach it up if you like to. Again, really engage the side body. I think of these good core workouts, be able to get up off the floor more easily. Sit down, meditate when we need to. Just sit on the floor with ease and be able to get up without a problem. Other side. Just find a nice flow. Remember, all your attention is in the core. Just engaging it the entire time. In any movement that we do, if we actually engage the core, then we're helping to build good core stability. Okay, one more. Okay. We're going to step back and twist. So we're slowing this reverse lunge a bit and focusing on the twist more. And if, like me right there, the balance falters a bit, that's all right. Keep going. If the reverse lunge isn't working for you, you can simply rush and twist. Engage the core, just here, like this. But if you can, try. We're building incredible strength in the legs, balance. We can add the balance with our core stability. Just challenge us a little bit more. Woo. Some days are a little wobblier than others. I'm clearly having one of those days. It's all right. Really twist, engage that core. You can hold it for a moment. Yeah. Other side. Hold that twist, hold it. Nicely done. Let's just shake that out for a minute. Shake, shake, shake. Okay, one leg at a time, and we're gonna swing it. Building some balance here. Again, core stability is for our balance. I can think of nothing better than for us of those of us, excuse me, who live in the north. You're walking on the ice, having good core stability and balance is going to be so beneficial so we don't have a fall. So just swing the leg, but really notice, feel it, engage the core. And see if you can't be aware. When you do, really focus here. Couple more, and other side. Shake, shake, shake. Other side. Just how much better you can balance when you really engage here. Swing the leg as much as you can. Get it out. If we have a chair, perfectly fine. Of course, to help us balance. Get into a flow. Bring all your attention, everything right here, right now. Ooh. One's gonna go longer, but no worries. If you fall, we just keep going. How many times can we pick ourselves back up? That is the key. Okay, crunch. Get the knee to elbow as best you can. Move at a pace that is best for you. I like these standing core exercises. I find if I get on the ground and do bicycles or crunches or flutter kicks or whatever it might be, it irritates my back. I find the standing is much easier on the back. But there's some great core exercise can be done on the floor. Again, you just find what works for you. The best core exercise is the one you'll do. Really engage the side body. Whew. A couple more. Oh, yeah. Let's just shake it out for a minute. Yeah. Just a few. Forward fold, but just about halfway to have a flat back and then rise up. But the entire time you're doing this, you're engaging your core muscles. Keep your hands on your belly. As a reminder to keep this area tight. I clearly should have gone through a thesaurus today first to look up synonyms for engaged. Contract your abdominals. Oh, just really focus here. Bring all your presence into this. And hold it there for a moment. Hold it. And up. Sweat on? Yes. Okay. In our moment of meditation, stillness, focus, whatever you will, just stand the entire time. Direct all your attention right here and engage. And hold it for a moment. We're not breathing normally. Just hold it there, just for a moment. All your tension, everything right here, hold it. And big exhale. Normally when we breathe, we want to extend our stomach, breathing from our diaphragm. So here we're just holding it in, just for a moment. Well done. Another brilliant workout. Remember, comment, job done. Inspire me, inspire others. Keep staying active. Consistency and discipline will stay consistent, and discipline will follow. Happy days. See you tomorrow.